This is how we do with 45s.
What's up, everybody? Live stream number 4, where I sample 45s. Woo! Oh, yeah. It wasn't that easy sampling from 45s. I had a little bit of issues.
Oh, whack.
I hope you have a drink. I got some Ballast Point. I'm so deep, I got the Ballast Point coaster. What? And it's quality.
Maybe a Pointer Sisters break?
I mean, that's almost cheating, right? 'Cause it's so dope. Maybe if we filter it, we can get the essence of it without the drums. All right. There's our Ultra Tap snare. Woo. Woo. I'm messing with my shelf here. Brown. Let's bring in some. Thank you for everybody that came to watch me play with toys. Now we're going to go over to the Akai Force. We got the SU700 sound good. And we bring the V-Synth in. All right, I'm going to arm this, hit record. And when I hit the scene here, everything should start recording for 8 bars. So within that 8 bars, hopefully we'll be able to make a little change up and see what happens. All right, here we go. So let's see. got something. All right, so now we have... Let's try to record another scene. Okay. We got our two variations. And now what I'm going to do is assign this crossfader. Got just drums. Just music. Whoa!